Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 4 by Jordan Brand in the Seafoam colorway. It comes in a black and cement grey Jordan Flight box with a red Jumpman on its lid. Inside the box comes with shoes in white paper, no extra accessories are included, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This Jordan 4 adopts an OG fire red collar blocking with seafoam green hits. I would describe it as more of a light khaki, which is very wearable all year round. I wish the leather quality was better. It's your standard synthetic stiff leather. I stay true to my US men's 10, but these do come in women's sizing. Jordan 4s tend to fit narrow, so you might want to go up half a size if you have wide feet. These may not be a personal pickup, but it's a very strong colorway and looks great on feet. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment POND to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.